p.m. At 3:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles northeast of Emerson, or 26 miles southwest of Atlantic, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Montgomery and southeastern Pottawatomie counties. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Montgomery, and Pottawatomie.